So therefore now, put your symbol as always on the outside. Then when you draw two circles, because the information indicates to you, as you can see, it indicated to you that x to what? Both. And once two sets share something common, it's an intersection, good? So to know which diagram you're going to draw, you must look to see if it's an intersection or not. So it's an intersection. So what I do, draw two circles joining each other. Then you're going to label the circle. So this is set F, which is for French, set S, which is for Spanish. Now question now, you want to say F is equal to total amount, which is 11 students who took French, and the total amount for those who took Spanish, which is what? 9. Now, to put, you know that you put a number, you usually put a number between right at this area here, which represents intersection. However, you are not given a number, you are given a what? Letter. So you're going to put the letter right there, which represents the number. The letter here suggests that the number is unknown. So obviously, you know, later down in this question, they will ask to find this unknown figure. Now the other information that you get, 18 took neither. So therefore, this 18 represents the number of students who did not take French nor Spanish. So place the 18 out there. The next question is now, where do we place French only and Spanish only? No, they did not give you a value for French only nor Spanish only. So question, how will I find French only and Spanish only? Now if you go back, if you further down in the video, you'll see where we told you that to find the number of elements in a particular set. For example, for French only, you will take the number of elements that is in both French and Spanish from the total number in French. So therefore, the total number in French is what? 11. So you minus it by what? X. And when you take X from 11, it should give you the number of elements in F only, or the number of students who take French only. So do the same thing for Spanish. So to find the number of students who take Spanish only, you subtract X from 9 as well. And this would be the Venn diagram for part A of your answer. If you got this correct, give yourself a clap. Okay, so let's go to part B of the question. Part B of the question states that you're to write an expression with X for the number of candidates in the universal set. Now, you must write an expression for what? X, meaning that you're going to include X in that expression. But what should this expression be expressing? It should be expressing it says for the number of candidates in the what? Universal set. So therefore, meaning that universal set, as you know, includes everything in this rectangle box here. So it includes this 18, it includes the 9 minus X, it includes the X right there, and it includes the 11 minus X. So guess what? The fact that I use the word include, it means that you're going to add everything that you see in this box except for the 11 and the what? 9. Good? Alright, so we're going to answer part B then. And this is our expression. So you're going to add what is in F only, which is 11 minus X, plus what is in both, which is X, plus 9 minus X, plus what? 18. Good? Now, so you're going to simply say now, minus X plus X would equal to what? 0. Now if you subtract, for instance, you gain $1, which is the plus X, and you owe somebody $1, which should be minus X. In other words, you end up with what? Nothing at all, because you have to give back what you have gained. So minus X plus X is what? 0. So we have 11 then, plus 9, minus X, plus 18. That's our second step. Now we can add 11 plus 9. This is what? 20. Good? Minus X plus what? 18. We can add these two numbers now. So it is 20 plus 18, which is what? 38 minus X. So here, the last expression would be this. So when you take x from 38, you get the number of candidates in the universal set. And note, the number of candidates in the universal set is 32. Good? You already know it, but this is the expression you will use. Let's go to part C. So this is part B of the question. Let's go to part C of the question. What does part C ask for? So to calculate the value of what? X. Now to calculate the value of X using the expression in B. Good? So when we write the expression in B, enter 38 minus X. Now we know that this expression should be equal to what? 32. So this, good? How we know that? Because 32 is there are 32 students who took what? Both examination at the CXE. Good? So therefore, when you subtract the number of students who took both subjects from this total here, you should get the total number of students who took the examination. So guess what now? So to find the value of X, we're going to now say minus X is equal to 32. I want to take this 38 and carry it over here. Good. It becomes minus X, which is equal to what? So if you use a calculator, you put 32 there, then you put minus 10, then you put 38, you'll get what? Minus 6. However, now we need to remove the minus sign from the X. So what we do, we divide the minus X by minus X, and we get what? X. Because a negative divided by a negative give you a positive. So that should be, so divide both sides by what? Minus what? You want to tell me? Not minus X, but let's use minus 1 instead, yeah. Minus 1. Good. So minus 1 divided by minus X will give you back what? Positive X. And you divide this one by minus 1 as well, and then you get what? Positive 6. So therefore your answer is X is equal to 6. And therefore 6 persons took what? Both subjects. And it would be good to put back this information into your current Venn diagram to prove all your answers correct. Good? Especially this one here. Now we're going to go to part D. Now part D states that you are supposed to shade the region F complement intersect S. Now this one is a very, very tricky one. So I'm going to draw a little example for you first. Then I'm going to compare it to the other one, that the first Venn diagram. So let's look at a little example. And remember, students, that it is good to do what the teacher, follow what the teacher is doing. Don't just watch this video like that. You must do the same thing too. Good. Now let us say we had two sets. Set A and set B. We're going to list the members of a set right here, 3, 9, and 12, and then put 15 out here. So good. And let us list some elements here. So 2, 10, and 11, and then put 6 right here. Now let us say A complement. Now A complement, we want to find A complement intersect what? S. Good. Similar to what you want to find in there in the test. F complement intersect S. So let's put B right here. Sorry. Now the first thing you need to do is to find what A complement is. Now A complement is what is not in what? A. So if you look at this, 3 is not in A, 9 is not in A, 12 is not in A. So 3, 9, 12, and 15 is not in A what? Either. And then now you need to find what is in B. So what is in B? 6, 3, 9, and 12. Now what you notice now? 3, 9, and 12 is also in what? A complement and B. So what intersect them? 3, 9, and 12. Now where you find the 3, 9, and understand why the answer for D is this. And it's best to replay this video and take your time and try to understand. So we're going to draw the real thing now. So this is F and this is S. So what they're asking you now is just to shade the region. That's it. Simple as that. And that's your answer for D. Thank you for viewing your answer to try this question.
I want to take this opportunity to apologize for the instructor and the video clip a while ago. A part of the lesson he stated that A complement intersected B complement, but the correction should be A complement intersect B. Okay, let's go to our notice board quickly. To find the number of elements in A only or B only, subtract the number of elements in A intersect B from the total number of elements in each set. To find the number of elements common to two sets, or that otherwise is in both sets, add the number of elements of both sets and then subtract the total number of elements which forms the union of both sets. Very good. So these are two of the hints you can use when doing problems that you need to follow these two instructions. The end of another lesson created by Ronique Bernard.
The days of Elijah, declaring the word of the Lord. And these are the days of your servant Moses, righteousness being restored. And though these are days of great trials, of famine and darkness and sword, still we are the voice in the desert, crying, prepare ye the way of the me a beg you to revise where you learn from class. Me a tell you no, cause it's not hard, it's a task. Just give yourself a chance and yes, you say that you grasp when them tell you no. Go get your education, me a beg you to revise where you learn from class. Me a tell you no, cause it's not hard, it's a task. Just give yourself a chance and yes, you say that you grasp when them tell you no. Load the machine, I better you go the machine instead of you dip on the corner and I get your head machine. The little youths them nowadays, them need to learn, to look, to read and recognize for you survivor education and the key youth. From Georges, KC and JC, Valley Camper down with a brook and Papine, Calabar and Dunwoodin, till read the news about the pick up the two cause of the books so no fi read and so get your education. Me a beg you to revise where you learn from class. Me a tell you no, cause it's not hard, it's a task. Just give yourself a chance and yes, you say that you grasp when them tell you no. Go get your education. Me a beg you to revise where you learn from class. Me a tell you no, cause it's not hard, it's a task. Just give yourself a chance and yes, you say that you grasp when them tell you no. Back in on the school days, me used to have it hard, but me also go to school anyways. Mama never get paid, but that never stopped me from getting the education serious. So
the students, get your uniform press, pack your knapsack, Kim says school of the thing.